All right, let's take a look at the shot with Paris. I want to add a little pizzazz, maybe add a little color to it. So let's start by selecting the subject by clicking the Select Subject button. If you don't see that, make sure you have one of these tools activated to the left here and choose Select Subject, and it will do a really good job. If it's not perfect, like right here on the edges, you can adjust your mask later because that's what we're going to create here. Once I have the subject selected, right click and choose Select Inverse, and that selects just the background. So what are we going to do here? Create a new adjustment layer by clicking on this little semicircle and choose Selective Color. And what did that do? It created a mask. That means everything in white here is what is going to be impacted by this layer. Everything in black will be ignored. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on this part right here to the left of the mask and get my properties for Selective Color. I can choose different colors that I want to affect. So let's start with neutral since we have a gray background, and I'm just going to bump up any one of these colors. Look at that. It's as easy as that. Maybe I want to bring up the magentas a little bit. Look at that. That's really nice. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.